actor besties, we need to talk about commercials because I think so many actors sleep on them. Like everyone wants the big Netflix role or star in an indie feature, and that's all great and awesome, and I want that too. But commercials can literally change your life. And I don't mean that figuratively. I mean that literally. My McDonald's National that you've probably seen from a few years ago paid me a little over $75,000 across 2 years, and another one that's currently airing helps me pay off my student loans and my car loan. And all of that came from a few days of work. So if you've been ignoring commercial auditions or thinking they're less serious or they're not really actors, I'm here to tell you that you might be sleeping on your biggest opportunity yet. So let's talk about it. Today we're going to break down why I love commercials and how they can totally shift your career and your life. The first reason that I love commercials is because they are one and done. Usually you shoot like maybe 1 or 2 days, you have your fitting day also, and that's it. There's no like 3-month commitment. There's no 5 a.m. call times for weeks and weeks and weeks on end. You show up, you bring your energy, you nail the vibe, you have fun, and you go home. And what's amazing is that those 1 or 2 days, once the commercial airs, can keep paying you for months or even years after you've finish the job, and that is called residuals. So if you've got a side job, classes, you're in school, or you do like other projects, you have a family, commercials can fit so easily into your life. They're quick, efficient, and honestly kind of perfect for actors who are juggling a lot. The second reason I love commercials is because they are fun. Every spot has its little own world that they've created. One week you are a Viking person in the World of Warcraft, and the next week you are browsing a record store for your favorite record. You get to play, you get to improvise. Sometimes you get to dance or do weird reactions or sing or show off any kind of special talent that you have. And because shoots move really fast, there's oftentimes this like playful, high energy vibe on set. Commercials are tiny bursts of storytelling, 30 to 60 second mini movies where you get to be expressive, quick, and usually totally yourself. Okay, so let's talk about money, particularly the residuals, because we need to normalize it. Residuals can change your life. The McDonald's commercial that I booked in 2020, I ran for 2 years and I made over $75,000 from that one spot. And that's not bragging, that's just transparency, and it's also possibility for you. Another commercial literally paid off my student loans and my car this year, which I wasn't planning on doing, but I was able to, and I'm so grateful for that. It's wild to think about how 1 or 2 days can give you so much financial freedom. Since we're talking about money and the business side of acting, this is the perfect moment to thank today's sponsor, First Entertainment Credit Union, for supporting this video. We love First Entertainment on this channel, okay guys? So let me be honest with you. When that McDonald's National hit and those checks started rolling in, nobody told me that managing your money as an actor is a whole other job. Residuals come at random, travel days pop up out of nowhere, you're on set 1 minute, on a plane the next, and suddenly you're trying to figure out how to access your money without getting hit with a fee. So this is why I really love their value checking account, because it's actually built with creatives in mind. First off, if you're traveling for a commercial shoot or literally just sitting in your trailer in between takes, you can use Zelle right inside their digital banking app to send and receive money instantly. I can pay someone back, send money to family, split a rental car with another actor, all from my phone in between takes and in between setups. No waiting. And this part is huge, okay? So listen up. You also get access to over 30,000 surcharge-free ATMs nationwide. So if you're shooting in another city, and let's be honest, we all want to travel for as cheaply as possible. But let's say you're in New York or Austen or wherever you are, and you suddenly need cash. You don't have to worry about paying those random ATM fees just because you're on location. And if you've ever been on a commercial shoot, you know how unexpected expenses can pop up. Meals, nails, parking, whatever it is. With First Entertainment, there's a network of over 30,000 ATMs that you can access and withdraw cash from for free. Even if you're in the middle of nowhere and there's only one ATM available and it's not part of the 30K, First Entertainment also reimburses you up to $180 a year in ATM rebates. That means I never have to worry about paying cash to get cash. Did I mention the other benefits of their value checking account? Like no minimum balance requirement, which is perfect for us actors who receive residuals 1 month and then crickets the next 4. Oof. There's also no monthly service charge when you turn on e-statements, 24/7 mobile banking, mobile check deposits, and more. It just makes our entire actor lifestyle way easier because the account actually supports how we work. irregular income, travel days, long stretches on set, and all the financial weirdness that comes with being a creative in this industry. If you're an actor or any kind of a creative and you want a checking account that moves with your life, not against it, definitely check out First Entertainment's Value Checking Account. The link is below so that you can look at all the features yourself. Thank you again to my friends over at First Entertainment Credit Union for supporting this channel and supporting artists like us. And of course, it's not guaranteed. It's not like, oh, I booked a national commercial. Now I'm going to make $80,000. Every commercial is different. Sometimes it's like a seasonal national, so it'll run for a couple of weeks, in which case you won't really get that much. You'll get a good amount, but you won't get, 80 grand. Sometimes you book a national commercial and you get cut from the commercial. Sometimes you book a national commercial and it never airs. So you really just never know until you have the checks in your hand, but still pretty lucrative. So if you've been thinking that commercials aren't real acting, I want you to hear me. They're opportunities and they can build financial stability for you when you're chasing after the bigger thing. And lastly, I love commercials because of the exposure. A commercial can introduce you to millions of people, especially if it's national. Casting directors, producers, directors, the ad agencies, they all see these spots. And when they see your face over and over, they remember you. Plus, commercials can be global. You might not even realize how many people have seen your commercials until your friends text you like, wait, are you in this ad? Are you in that ad? Or sometimes I was walking down the street when my McDonald's commercial was airing and people were like, I know you, I know your face. So it's really cool because honestly, that visibility can build momentum, it can build credibility, and it can build confidence. So you might be thinking, okay, Nikko, that sounds great, but how do I even start? The answer is simple. Start auditioning as much as you can. I'd recommend signing up for casting sites that have a ton of commercials on them that you can submit to, like Casting Networks, Casting Frontier, and casting.com. And I'll link all of those links in the description box down below. I'd recommend keeping your headshots updated, your skills updated, and if you can, take a commercial workshop to learn the basics. And if you can't, I'd recommend watching as many commercials as you can on iSpot TV so you can see who the people are that they're casting right now, what are people generally wearing. You can start to build a sense of brand identity. But more than anything, I just recommend showing up, even if you're nervous, even if you're just learning or you feel like you're not ready to audition, because commercials are the most accessible, life-changing entry point that a lot of people don't really talk about. And if you stay ready, your one and done moment might be closer than you think. And don't forget to check out my link in the description box below to see if First Entertainment Credit Union's Value Checking Account is right for you. Thanks again, First Entertainment Credit Union. So yeah, commercials changed my life. And they absolutely can change yours too. So if this video inspired you, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with another actor who needs to hear this. And tell me in the comments, what's one dream brand that you'd love to book a commercial with? Thank you all for sticking around to the very end, and I'll see you all in a new video Thursday after next. Bye.